On behalf of all World Gayatri Parivar, Shanti Kunj Haridwar, Gayatri Tirth, I convey to HMEC my greetings on organizing a very important congregation in Toronto for the first time in Canada. And I hope that you all will come to some conclusion which will bring all our temples in order and within reach of our youngsters of tomorrow. What exactly needs to be done is the priests there in the temples, they have reached from India, but they have not been trained thoroughly. And they do not know how to interact with the youngsters. They don't know how to convey scientifically the various benefits of doing prayers, doing meditation, doing pujas, all these things. So this needs to be conveyed to them that they have to learn fast, they have to learn hard, and then only they can be working as a priest. Merely by changing the uniform, nobody becomes a priest. So this particular thing needs to be done, and for that Gayatri Parivar extends its support. We have got a training of the trainer program in the Shanti Kunj as well as in the various centers all over the world. So I hope that by the end of this conference, when you will come to some conclusion, you will definitely realize that what Gayatri Parivar is doing in all the temples, it will definitely be fruitful to all of you in the near future. Secondly, what I feel is that the future of our generation, a lot of you are office bearers since 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, but the future generation has to be brought in touch with the spirituality. What is happening is that they do not know much about the scientific spirituality, and they do not know much about the way we should propagate Hinduism or we should propagate our Hindu philosophy. So they should be told about the cultural benefits, scientific benefits, and the various therapies which are attached with this particular puja, abhishek, all those mantrocharan, all the yajna prakriya. This all should be explained to them. I think they should undergo an intensive training course, and once they do it, then particularly in near future we will be able to say that all the mandis, 2,000 temples of the US and Canada are doing very well, are doing particularly the biggest possible job of transferring the privilege to the children. Now next, the children. Bal Sanskar Shala should be run in each and every Hindu temple. If you run Bal Sanskar Shalas and your senior citizens like few housewives, few teachers, few retired persons, they take the responsibility of transmitting the sanskar, of spreading the vibrations of the Indian culture to them. I think that will be one of the most wonderful things, because they will take over the responsibility from you in the near future, in next 10, 12, 30 years. We should, HMEC should also organize youth camps, as I have been organizing on behalf of Gayatri Parivar, and the people from all the organizations they join us. I have been organizing every year in Toronto, in Canada, or in USA, any of the two places, but it is attended by both the nations' youngsters. So similarly, you must organize this particular type of activity, which will definitely keep our youth in the fold of Indian culture. They won't fall prey to the lure and the glamour of the Western materialism. You have a very daunting task, and I believe that you will be able to fulfill it. A lot of discussion will take place in the HMEC. I would have come readily, but somehow the time doesn't suit me, because I am very busy in India during that time. We are doing a lot of rehabilitation work in Uttarakhand, and I am needed there. So I just come here for 10 days, and for camp and for the Pran Pratishtha of Mahakal. We have to have an exhibition in each and every temple. Exhibition of Indian culture, exhibition of our deities, explanation of the deities, what for they are meant for, so that they don't get confused. And this exhibition should be explained to each and every youngster, and each and every housewife, each and every person who has come from India or who lives here or who is born here. Ultimately, the temple will become the lighthouses. All the temples will become lighthouses. This is my wish that we will definitely be able to fulfill the desire of everybody. And this particular sojourn of our combined together, means Gayatri Parivar and the HMEC, we can benefit masses at large.